Hey everyone, I'll talk about the pros and cons of flipped classroom. We'll start with the good side, the pros, the reasons it was attractive to me. First of all, students can get help when they need it. That is either from peers or from you as the teacher. They always need it when they're actually doing the problems, and I feel like too often we don't get to enough problems in class when I'm simply lecturing. Secondly, students can take notes at their own speed. And when they're experiencing new material, they can press pause and as many times as they need to on the video and rewatch it as many times as they need to, whereas in class that uses everyone's time when they have questions for you to repeat something you said. I especially have a problem of talking too fast, and so yeah, my kids oftentimes tell me that I'm just talking too fast, and yet during class they're too shy to say that in front of their peers. So here, when they watch a video of me talking too fast, they can go back and hit play as many times as they need to. Number three, I just feel like there's more doing and less listening in classrooms that are when I'm able to flip. I was reading, someone once said, a teacher said, kids don't learn when you're just talking in front of them. That's not completely true. I don't agree with that, but I believe that as soon as they start trying something or working on something, they start learning a lot more. As for the cons, one problem, one of the biggest hurdles, the reason I didn't do it for a number of years, was not everyone has internet at home. Another con is that video is, I thought, too passive a form of absorbing material, especially things like how to do different math skills. And then the third question that always comes up is, what if students don't do their homework? The first one can be particular to different schools and the socioeconomic status of the students in various classes at those schools. I've found ways around that, whether using study hall time or in-class time or giving students USBs. I'd be happy to brainstorm and talk with ways I've overcome that problem. But again, that still does not apply to every school, and that is the biggest problem in my opinion. The third one is, I think, depends again on how you set it up, but I think that's the easiest to overcome, the most common question, but I don't think that that really is that big an issue in the end after all, and I can explain to you why. But number two, the second reason that video is too passive was one of the big reasons I didn't use a flipped classroom, even though I'd heard of it and liked the idea. I didn't use it for a number of years, and I think that Edpuzzle is a huge step in overcoming that, and so that's why I'd like to share Edpuzzle with you.